welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Welcome back to 25 DIYs of Christmas. Today we are making photo memory boxes. I came up with this idea while I was at Michael's shopping one day and I was like, why have I not thought of that before? So I'm excited to share it with you now. I love sharing the DIYs that just pop into my head that I don't have to be super inspired for, and they're legitimately ideas that I had. So this is one of those, and I'm not sure if it's gonna flop yet because I haven't actually made it. I'm just talking about it, but hopefully this video is on the internet now, so it worked. So let's get going. Alrighty guys, I started by printing out a photo on our new sticker photo paper that we have on shopantietay.com. And then I cut out an SVG that says a year of Disney from our membership. And I used holographic vinyl and glitter vinyl for this. This was my first time ever trying to use vinyl on a photograph, and it worked pretty okay, but I'm glad I have my transfer tape because my transfer tape is not super sticky, which makes projects a lot easier when you get to this stage. But for photo paper, it's really not the best idea to use transfer tape on photo paper. But because our transfer tape is pretty non-sticky, it did work decently. So now I'm just gonna put the stars on. The stars are made out of the holographic vinyl, just holographic vinyl, and then I look like I'm waxing legs right there, but that's what I did. And then I'm just gonna peel the back off of our sticker photo paper and put it onto the front of this box. I got this box at Michael's. When I found them, I was so excited because I just instantly thought of this idea that you could put a photo on the front of it and then fill it up with all the pictures from the trip, and it would be such a cute little memory box, or you could hang it up or put it in a shelf displayed with the photo outward, or you could put a saying on the side so that you can put it into a bookshelf and people could pull it out and look through your photos of each trip. And then I just used this Mickey paper. I have a whole pack of Disney paper that I just keep on hand, and I love Mickey and I thought it went really good with this, so I just cut it into strips and hot glued it around the edges of the photo box, and it was good to go.